Hey awesome ones, so this video is for you. All of you that said to me, what do I wear in the sweltering heat? And I know a lot of you have that 100 degrees and up weather pretty well year round. Now, although I live in the northern climates, I get to experience the heat and the humidity too, where it gets to be over 100 degrees. So I've got some fashions to show you. I'm going to have 8 tips. I'm going to have do's and don'ts, and I'm also going to have one of those slideshow lookbooks at the end of this video, so let's go. Let's start with tip number 1, and that's fabric. And did you know, this is really going to shock you, but a lot of the wick away kind of tops and that sort of thing, and also the stay dry ones, they're made of 100% polyester. That's right. Let me show you this tag from the Under Armour Heat Gear line. And also, this one is from Columbia for their Omni Wick clothing tops. Most polyester these days, it's not the polyester, that we used to wear like in the 1980s. There's the Under Armour one, and I'm going to be showing that in the slideshow as well. Really nice material. And here's the Columbia one. And these outfits, or these tops, they're made specifically for outdoor events such as golfing or fishing or even tennis. Well, I guess this one would be better for tennis, but I just thought that you might find that very interesting. Now, obviously, there are other kinds of fabrics that you can wear that are a little more natural. This new dress that I have, and I'm going to be showing this in the slideshow lookbook, which is going to be at the end of the video, but this is a cotton and linen blend, and so is this new blazer and that sort of thing. The problem with linen and also cotton is it really tends to wrinkle quite easily. And what you don't want to be doing is digging out the ironing board, digging out the iron. I'm going to suggest that you use a steamer like this. This is about $30, and we use it all the time, even for steaming here in the studio. So this is just a great item to have, especially when you want to get out there in the summer and not be ironing all day. Other fabrics that can be cool to wear are, the lacy ones or crocheted. And let's get on to tip number 3. And for this one, I'm going to show you a do and a don't. And for the don't wear clothing that's just too tight. I'll show you what I mean. Hey, I may feel kind of sexy in this tight-fitting dress, but there's no airflow, and on a hot day, the sweat will start to pool, especially around my waist, even with the ruching, and that's not a good look at all. Better to wear something loose-fitted and airy, like this Easy Breezy one that you all know is one of my favorite dresses, and it's available for around $46. You want the airflow, and this one, especially with the side slit, helps me to keep cool. Remember that midi and maxi skirts also can provide that airflow for you. All right, so let's talk about another do and don't. And go swimming. It's amazing exercise. And don't say no to all of those pool parties and lakeside events and cottages, because nowadays with the heat, a lot more people do have pools. So I thought I would show you 3 swimsuits that, if you're a little worried about your weight and that sort of thing, this is going to do a lot of camouflaging, especially in the upper thighs. So let's take a look at all 3 of them. The first one is a new 2-piece swimsuit for you, and I got this one to show you how even a swimsuit that really covers your thighs can look stylish, and I got it for around $37. Next is a slendering design that seems to make our bodies look slimmer, and it's available for $36. And next we have the trending retro style. Think Marilyn Monroe for around $38. It's a swim dress with a touch of glam. Now, all of those swimsuits, they come in a vast array of colors, and you know I love to have color in your wardrobe, but I chose swimsuits with a lot of black in them because I know that black is very slimming, so that's why I chose it. And you know what I want to know? I want to know how many of you, put it in the comments, still love to swim. So I really think we got to encourage all of us because it's so healthy for you and it's such great exercise. All right, so next, let's talk about footwear in the summer and the hot weather too. Tip number 5 is don't wear leather heavy sneakers. If you want to go out walking in the heat or, you know, jogging, whatever, try to get something like this. This is from Skechers, and it's more of a mesh style. It has, what does it say on the inside? It's air-cooled and memory foam, and it's also, you know, something that's a lot lighter to wear. And these are available for about $75. And just a word about those trending mesh sneakers. Try not to buy white. My daughter just bought a pair in white, a different brand, but she wore them out and they got dirty. And she tried everything to get them clean. And she told me, she said, they're never gonna look like they did when I first got them out of the box. For tip number 6, let's stick with footwear. And I know I've mentioned this before, but get rid of those cheap flip-flops. You know, I know that flip-flops are they're so great when it's hot outside, but I love the Crocs ones. They are just incredible, and they're stylish too, aren't they? One thing I like about the Crocs is that they have the great arch support, they have heel cushioning, there's anti-slip inside here, and there's also great tread. And also, they're available for only around $30. Next, let's talk about our undergarments, and specifically, you know, when you gotta wear a sleeveless top and you got that kind of underarm thing showing, you know what I mean, right? Well, I have got a new favorite bra, and this is from Warner's, and it's called No Side Effects, and it's available for about $46. And I have it in this, for me, this is like a skin color, and you can see how the side here, it kind of pushes up a little bit, so it's really pushing that skin in. Also, I bought it in black as well, so let me just show you this in the black. And the thing about the black too, if you are wearing black, you can let your bra kind of show a little bit. There's lots of different colors, and it's okay to let the bra show a little bit. All right, and another thing is make sure that when you order those from Warner's that you check out the size chart. And if you like fashion tips like these ones, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the bell. Also, are you following me on Instagram? I post almost every day there, and you can find me at instagram.com/awesomeover50. Now my next tip, let's just say that you really want to cover your arms. Well, what you're going to need is an overtop over one of those sleeveless dresses or tops that has airflow, and this is a great example of this. These are called Back from Bali, and you can see, you know, they are going to hide your arms, but they've got the great kind of crochet airflow. They're available for about $25 a piece, and I love them so much. I bought 4 of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you just a few of the items that I love to wear, you know, talk about them a little bit, and then I'm going to get into the lookbook slideshow. Now, I know you can't see all of it, but this is a beautiful cotton and linen dress that I just got, and of course it's going to be in the slideshow. I thought the green was kind of nice, you know, the olive green, and It's available for $41, and also it has 4 other colors. So wait till you see this in the slideshow. Now, also I realize that a lot of times we still have to get dressed up in the summer, and so I've got a beautiful cotton and linen jacket or blazer that I wanted to show you. It's all lined, and it's really quite pretty. It's available for around $48, and it's available in 4 colors as well. Now, of course, I love the beachwear cover-ups for summertime. They are so flowy. This has got to be one of my favorites, and again, that'll be in the lookbook as well. This one, how much is this? Oh, I'm turning around here. There we go. This one is available for only around $21. Okay, so the next item that I want to talk about a little bit. First of all, I think if you want to wear shorts, that's great. Go ahead and wear shorts. What I don't think you should be wearing are, you know, those really short cut-off shorts, and you know, that are too tight. And that's why I suggest the alternative, which I love to wear, and that is the skorts. I got to turn these ones around again. These are really lightweight. They do have the shorts underneath them. You hardly even know you're wearing them, and I love these so much. I've got them in 3 different colors, and they're available for about $40. All right, so now let's get on with the lookbook slideshow. So there you have it, styling tips and also some outfits to help you have a little bit of fun in the sun. And like, I do realize when it's like 120 degrees outside, stay inside. I want you all to stay safe, but I just think it's so sad that there are a lot of women out there that won't have any outdoor fun because, you know, they're worried about their body image or even their age. And as a former model, like, really? I should be sitting at home in the summertime with the covers over top of my head, but I'm not going to do that. I know that the previous tips, they're going to help you, but I really think that your mindset, it has to be something like this. You know, I'm old enough not to care what other people think of me. And, you know, I want to go out there. I realize that I only have so many summers left. So I want to have some fun. I want to age with attitude. And to me, that's just one more way to keep it awesome.